Oh no. There's snow all up on this bitch. No, my face is gonna freeze. It's good enough, right? That'll do. At least maybe help with some of the wind noise. Woo! Woohoo! Wait, I got some buckshot here.
Don't point that shit at
It's in the air.
Hey, what did I just say? I call dibs. Respect the dibs protocol. Oh, look at that dead center. Like a beast.
Oh man, that buckshot's a little hard on the.
That's why I like the AR-15 platform. It's all good.
All right, let me see it from this side.
Blown up the tannerite.
Let me just clear some of that out with some pink bird shot.
Blast away, then we add the tannerite.
Let me just clear some of that glass away with some pink some pink bird shot.
Jesus, come. Fire in the hole.
Good enough.
Skip. Tannerite time, motherfucker.
Tannerite time.
Now nobody shoot the tannerite because only my gun will actually set it off.
All right.
I'll take your word for it.
Dude, people are gonna think you're crazy. You're wearing shorts out in a blizzard.
That's why he's the magnificent Copa.
Oh my God.
Well, you made me wear a coat.
You're not feeling well. You should wear something.
Yeah, clothes.
All right, explosion time.
I think I'm gonna back up just a little bit.
Maybe just a little bit.
Nope.
I'm glad I got rock pants on for this. Rock! Where's the explosion?
I blew the fucker up, but it didn't fucking go off. I should be walking towards explosives that should have gone off.
Yeah, let's do it.
If you're American.
Look at that.
That was a...
Obliterated and it didn't explode.
Damn it.
I hit it twice at least.
Darn.
Actually, it looks like a hell of a lot more than twice. 1, 2.
Yeah, you hit it at least twice.
I count like 3 at least.
Put it inside there.
Here, we're gonna leave it right there because there's all these little fuckers around there, and I'm gonna try and hit it again. And if I can hit it again, maybe we'll get a small explosion. I thought I saw some sparks, but I didn't see no explosion, that's for sure.
No explosion.
Apparently you can't let tannerite sit. Alright, hit it again. Fuck it.
Here we go.
Bad round. Got bad ammo too.
Damn, bad ammo.
Bad explosives, just a bad day. Now we're dry.
Can we do that with nasers?
See, look at this.
Hey, Naser, let me try her.
Hit her good.
Yeah.
Didn't go off. Good, sir.
Naser, can I shoot it real quick? Let me see this guy.
Yeah, I need to go back inside. Clearly doesn't like the cold.
It's empty. Let me just throw some ammo in here real quick.
Alright. Well, I gotta get going home. And I'm sure Naser does.
Yeah. No, you just don't know.
Nice!
I'll load one more round magazine too. That's all she wrote.
Well, we just tried this too thoroughly, I think.
I think it's time to go home.
Well, as long as Nate gets to clean it up.
God damn it.
I think it's time to go home.